Hey there, racing fans! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're saddling up and galloping into the thrilling world of horse racing with 15 incredible facts that will have you feeling like a jockey at the finish line. So, hold on tight, and let's ride. Fact 1. The oldest sport. Horse racing is one of the oldest sports in the world, with origins dating back to ancient Greece, Babylon, and Egypt. It's been a favorite pastime for thousands of years, with races once held in front of kings and emperors. Fact 2. The fastest thoroughbred. Meet Winning Brew, the fastest thoroughbred on record. She set the world record in 2008, clocking in at an incredible 43.97 miles per hour, 70.76 kilometers per hour over 2 furlongs. That's faster than most cars in a city. Fact 3. The Triple Crown. The Triple Crown is the most prestigious achievement in American horse racing. It consists of winning 3 major races: the Kentucky Derby, the Preakness Stakes, and the Belmont Stakes. Only 13 horses have ever won this legendary title, with the most recent being Justify in 2018. Fact 4. The Kentucky Derby. The Kentucky Derby, also known as the Run for the Roses, is the longest-running sporting event in the United States, dating back to 1875. It's held annually at Churchill Downs and is famous for its mint juleps, extravagant hats, and a crowd singing "My Old Kentucky Home." Fact 5. Jockeys, small but mighty. Jockeys might be small in stature, typically weighing between 108 to 118 pounds, 49 to 54 kilograms, but they have one of the toughest jobs in sports. They must have exceptional balance, strength, and strategy to guide a powerful racehorse to victory. Fact 6. The Queen's love for racing. Queen Elizabeth II is an avid horse racing fan and has been involved in the sport for decades. Her horses have won over 1,600 races, and she's known to personally attend several major racing events each year, including Royal Ascot. Fact 7. Racehorses have unique names. Ever wondered why racehorses have such interesting names? Each name is limited to 18 characters, including spaces, and must be unique. Owners often choose names with special meanings or fun wordplay, like Seattle Slew or Secretariat. Fact 8. The most expensive racehorse. Husaichi Pegasus holds the record as the most expensive racehorse ever sold. In 2000, he was bought for a staggering $70 million. This champion thoroughbred won the Kentucky Derby that year, solidifying his legendary status. Fact 9. The Breeders' Cup. The Breeders' Cup is one of the richest and most prestigious events in horse racing, offering millions in prize money. It's held annually and attracts top horses, jockeys, and trainers from around the globe. Fact 10. Horses run on turf, dirt, and synthetic tracks. Horse races are held on 3 types of tracks: turf, grass, dirt, and synthetic. Each surface has its own challenges, and some horses perform better on one type of track than others, adding an extra layer of strategy to the sport. Fact 11. Secretariat's record. Secretariat, often considered the greatest racehorse of all time, set the record for the fastest time in all 3 Triple Crown races in 1973. His 31-length victory in the Belmont Stakes remains one of the most iconic moments in sports history. Fact 12. The Grand National. The Grand National, held in England, is one of the most challenging and famous horse races in the world. Known for its daunting fences, including the infamous Becker's Brook. It's a true test of stamina and jumping ability for both horse and jockey. Fact 13. Racehorse retirement. Racehorses typically retire by the age of 6, but their careers often continue in breeding. Successful racehorses can become stud stallions or broodmares, passing on their winning genes to the next generation of champions. Fact 14. The Dubai World Cup. The Dubai World Cup, first held in 1996, is one of the richest horse races in the world, with a purse of $12 million in 2023. It attracts the best horses from around the globe to compete under the lights of Maiden Racecourse. Fact 15. Horses and their special shoes. Race horses wear special lightweight shoes made of aluminum, designed to protect their hooves while providing better traction and speed on the track. These shoes are custom fitted by skilled farriers before each race. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about horse racing that highlight the thrill, tradition, and history of this incredible sport. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or just a casual fan, there's always something new to learn about horse racing. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, may the best horse win.